They told us it was inevitable, a head-on collision, a cosmic car crash between our Milky Way and the Andromeda galaxy. A celestial apocalypse in the making. But now Hubble has spoken. And what it reveals will leave you stunned. The future of our galaxy may not be as doomed as we thought. Or is it just delayed? Welcome to Astrummysteries, and today, we dive deep into the most epic galactic story of our time. A 2.5 million light-year tale of gravity, chaos, and a fate that's far from sealed. For decades, astronomers believed our Milky Way and the Andromeda galaxy were on a crash course, a majestic merger predicted to happen in about 4 to 5 billion years. And the evidence seemed airtight. The galaxies are pulling toward each other at 110 kilometers per second. No brakes. No turning back. Hubble Space Telescope measured the motion. Andromeda is blue-shifted, it's coming closer. The 2012 NASA simulation even showed what Earth's skies would look like as the cosmic beast approached. Beautiful and terrifying. But as science marches forward, so does our perspective. And with new data comes new doubt. Enter the twin eyes of modern astronomy, Hubble and Gaia. The Hubble Space Telescope gave us decades of unparalleled clarity. Gaia, launched by the European Space Agency, began mapping 1 billion stars with staggering precision. And together, they told a new story. One not of certainty, but of probability. Using this new data, scientists recalculated Andromeda's sideways motion. The result? It's moving sideways and faster more than we thought. That head-on crash might not happen at all. And if it does, it may not happen for a very, very long time. So what are the odds now? The new simulations published in Nature Astronomy suggest only a 2% chance of a direct collision in the next 5 billion years. And about a 50% chance in the next 10 billion. In cosmic terms, that's basically flipping a coin over 10 billion years. It's not just a delay, it's an entirely new future. Instead of merging, we might just dance around each other. A close pass. Gravitational flirting. A galactic near-miss. But what could change the odds again? Meet the wildcard, the Large Magellanic Cloud. A small satellite galaxy orbiting the Milky Way. Small but not insignificant. Its mass, now believed to be twice as large as once estimated, could be tugging at the Milky Way like a cosmic rudder. And that tug could be altering our galaxy's trajectory, possibly pulling us away from Andromeda altogether. In other words, the universe isn't just playing dice. It's playing 3D chess. With dark matter, gravity, and billions of years on the clock. But let's say the collision does happen. What would it mean for us? Surprisingly, not much. Galaxies are mostly empty space. Stars would rarely collide. Earth, if it even exists by then, might simply drift into a new galactic core. A new home. But here's the kicker. By that time, the sun would already be a red giant. Earth would likely be a scorched cinder. The real apocalypse? It won't come from Andromeda. This isn't just about galaxies, it's about perspective. We thought we knew the fate of the Milky Way. But the universe reminded us even the biggest predictions are just possibilities. The stars above us are not fixed points in a fate-bound story. They're actors in a dance we're only beginning to understand. And that dance? It will outlive us, our civilizations, and even our sun. But in watching it, in studying it, we touch eternity. If you enjoyed this cosmic journey, hit like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow stargazers. At Astrummysteries, we bring you the universe one mystery at a time. Until next time, keep looking up.